Della's got her hand up, so please go ahead, Della.
Okay, thank you. You may know that last week we had a Supercoherence Zoom meeting where we worked with the return to love frequencies, and we had a personal issue that or difficulty that we put in the field. And what I put in was my frustration and worry. I'm selling my property. The place I was buying fell through, and it's been a couple of months and I haven't found anything else. And by Monday, I decided to go back and look at a property that I'd seen. I liked the house, but it was further out than I wanted to live. And I decided to go back, which I did. And as I arrived and went past, I glanced in and a woman inside was looking out. So I smiled at her and carried on, and she came out and the whole family came out. And I spent quite a while talking to them. She told me different things. It's a lovely community, great neighbours. She invited me back in to check it out a bit more. And basically, based on that and a couple of other things, I decided to go for it, made an offer. It was 10,000 cheaper than the place that I was going to go for, and my offer's been accepted, and it looks pretty good. And this was in the field, but I wasn't going to go for it. And having gone for it, I feel better and better about it. So that's been very interesting and very, very quick response, very quick change. One other thing I wanted to say as well, I rang Maher yesterday just to check something out with her. And I mentioned that my elderly cat, who's 16, is really struggling with my kittens who are 6 months. And one of them sort of bullies her rather. And my older cat is a very frightened, nervous, self-contained cat who was bullied by a previous cat of mine. And I'd written out a statement and had it under the frequencies for quite a long time, and Maher had me read it to her, and she said it was quite long and complicated, so wrote something really simple. And just instead of big description, just I'm grateful that there's a harmonious relationship amongst my cats, between my cats. And just this morning, that was yesterday afternoon, just this morning she went to drink and the others were sort of bustling nearby, and she just took no notice of them, and that's really unheard of. So I'm really pleased to say that it looks like there's a shift coming there, which would be really wonderful, because this poor beast is having a very, very tough time. So that would be lovely for it to change, and I think it's doing so. So two very exciting things. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Magic happens every day.
And it's wonderful how all our non-human creatures are so receptive at this level. It's just
yes, cats, I think, extremely, but probably most animals,
Yes, that's lovely. Thank you. What a quick result, eh?
Yeah. Hey, Eden.
And just to come back to something that Della said about changing the note. So one thing that we changed was just being clear about the outcome that was desired in a very non-judgmental way, and letting go of trying to decide how that should unfold. So that was a big change in the way the note was phrased. Would you say, Della?
Yes, I would. I mean, I've done a long description about being happy in particular interactions, and this just left it much more open, really, for the universe to for the flow to happen in the way that's right, that I can't necessarily know.
Brilliant. Lovely, thank you.